Category 3. It contains wind speeds of 111 to 129 miles per hour. Hurricanes typically form over the warmest parts of the ocean between 5 to 15 degrees latitude, north and south of the equator. They can only form when it is over 27 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Hurricanes are also 2,000 times wider than tornadoes, and they can be called typhoons or cyclones. So now we are going to hear from Logan King, who is location at the Red Cross, reporting to us live. Logan, are you there?
Yes, Ezekiel, I'm here in Orlando and I'm reporting to you about how to continue to be ready for Hurricane Riopolis. Hurricanes can cause a lot of damage, including floods, fallen buildings, loss of electricity, downed power lines and trees, and lots of debris from things blowing around from the strong winds. There is a lot that you should be doing to get prepared. You should grab food and water, a flashlight with batteries, and stay informed by monitoring the storm by radio, TV, or internet. It is a good idea to buy a generator in case you lose power or you are instructed by authorities to turn off your utilities. To protect yourself and your windows on your house, you should put up storm shutters ahead of time. It is possible if you are in a flood zone that you may be asked to evacuate. Do not hesitate to leave. Your safety should be your first concern. Now we have another reporter on scene in Orlando where the devastation has already begun. Ayana, are you there?
Yes, Logan. Good evening. I'm Ayana Augusto, and today we are here with a strong and brave hurricane survivor named Gabrielle Clearwater Ross. Hi, Gabrielle. Thank you so much for taking time to talk to us during this horrible time.
Sure. Thank you for saying I'm brave, but I'm not the only brave one. There are many more survivors that have witnessed and experienced this horrific event.
Gabrielle, is it okay if I ask you a couple questions?
Yes, that would be fine.
What has happened to your house?
Pieces of it have blown away into the ocean and a tree crushed it.
Is your family okay?
Well, my family is okay, but there are many more survivors with broken bones. I'm fine, just a couple of bumps and bruises.
How are you doing besides that? Do you need anything?
I'm doing good and bad. We all have ups and downs. We don't have a lot of food, and we are working on finding shelter.
Well, we are going to help you by putting you in touch with a local emergency shelter by getting you help from American Red Cross.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Now we are heading back to the studio so Ezekiel can wrap it up.
We will see you again at our 10 o'clock newscast. Stay safe.